Everybody fucking jump!
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this show on the road. Let's get a little bit of box action. This shoe reads the Air Jordan 1 Low SE. Black multicolor, and white. What they calling these? The low discs or something they're calling these. I can't remember what they're calling these shoes. I'll put it in the description. The low diamonds or something like that. Get this light out. This shoe is kind of iridescent white and black. It's like a fly's eye. I don't know if you guys can make that out with the light out, but I'm gonna give you same footage with the light on in a second so you guys can see it. My opinion, this isn't a bad Jordan. Materials seem okay. Black leather is suede on the black. The iridescent areas are leather. Normal Air Jordan 1 back for the low. Couldn't keep these in stock as soon as they came in. People tell me some places they're sitting. Where I'm at, people can't get enough of them. They want all they get their hands on. Pardon me, guys. So I can't keep this shoe in stock. As soon as I get them, they either sell on StockX or GOAT, or somebody comes and picks them up in the store. So if you got any, I'll take them. Some people tell me that they're not. It's not a good shoe for selling. I don't know where you guys are at. Like I said, where I'm at, they're selling like hotcakes. Not my favorite Jordan, but like I said, I sold over 200 pairs. In my opinion, again, this is a Jordan that needs to be treated before you wear it. Like I said, that's my advice with all suede-based sneakers. Always treat the shoe before it touches the ground. I'm not really a low sneaker guy, but I guess if you're a low sneaker guy, you might could turn this into a daily wearer. But in my opinion, you should probably save this shoe for some special occasions. You can't really see the iridescence, but like I said, it's really iridescent on the shoe. Nothing in the inside, just normal Jumpman. But you do get the iridescent Jordan diamond on the tongue. I guess that's why they call them the diamond lows. Let's do one more 360. The light out. Let me know if you guys bought a pair of these. Are you going to buy a pair of these? Is this a pass for you? Or is this a purchase? I think I might get a pair of these for myself. I'm still on the fence. Like I said, I really don't like low shoes, but just because this is a sort of different Jordan, I may get a pair. Like I said, I'm giving you guys a view of what the shoes look like on your foot now. So let me know what shoes you guys are buying. Let me know what shoes you want to see in the next video. Everybody stay safe. Have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!